Good morning, friends. Today, in this lecture, we are going to start linear inequation. So, we have seen the equations, and in this lecture, we are going to start linear inequation. Okay, linear inequation. Now, what is meant by inequation? If both the sides are equal, then it is called as inequation, and both the sides are unequal. Either it is less than this is greater than, so either it is greater than first number we are considering, so either it is greater than or equal to, less than first number is less than first number is less than equal to. So either these conditions, we come across this condition, then it is called as inequalities. A is less than, A is greater than B, A is greater than A. First number we are going to consider. A is greater than, either it is less than or greater than. How are we going to calculate? First number depends upon it. First number is greater than B, first number is greater than equal to B. First number is less than D, first number is less than equal to D. So likewise, these all things are inequalities. All things are inequality. Here any number could be there. So we are dealing with finding the solution, okay, linear equation, and we are going to deal with finding the solution of this inequation. In this chapter we are going to see finding the solution of this inequation. What is the solution means? Solution means a value which satisfy that equation. Suppose x is greater than 2. What are the possible values of x that are greater than 2? Yes, 3, 4, 5. So these all sets are called as solution of this linear inequation. Solution of this linear inequation. Why we call it linear inequation? Because its degree is 1. Its degree is 1. Quadratic order 2. Linear 1. Degree is 1. So we are going to see a solution of linear inequation. So there are, before going to next, we should know some properties of linear inequation. Suppose there is linear equation x is greater than 2. So first rule is we can add, we can subtract any number to both the side. Now if we are going to multiply with positive, number, then no change in inequation sign. What is meant by no change in inequation sign? If x is greater than 2, if we going to multiply with a positive number, that means 2. 2x is also greater than 4. 2 into 2, 4. We have multiplied both the side by 2. So multiplying by 2 by both the side. Now we are going to multiply with the minus 2 to this first equation. Minus 2 to the first equation. Then at that time what will happen? Minus 2x and here minus 4. Sign got changed. We have to remember one thing, that if there is, this is a real number line, here is a 2, minus 2, here is a 2, 4, and here is a minus 4. What you can say? 4 is greater than 2, but minus 4 is less than minus 2. If we multiply with both the side by minus sign, minus 4 is less than minus 2. So larger number purchased with minus sign, it is always less. So add this 4 is there, but we are multiplying with the minus sign. At that time, this less than get converted into greater than. So remember this thing. 4 is greater than 2. Multiply both side by minus. Minus 4 is less than minus 1. So minus 4 come to the left hand side, that means it is always less than minus 1. This thing you have to remember. While multiplying with minus sign, we have to inverse less than to greater than to less than, and less than equal to the greater than equal to. Greater than equal to we are going to change to the less than equal to, and less than equal to we are going to change to the greater than equal to. So remember this thing. Add, subtract any number to the both the side, no change. Multiply positive number, no change in equation. Third, multiply by minus number or negative number, either with minus or any number. Change in, what you will do there? Change in equation symbol. That means less than or greater than, or less than equal to becomes greater than equal to become less than equal to. This changes happens in the while multiplying the minus number. Remember this thing. We can divide both the sides by any number. We can multiply both the sides by any number. No matter, no change requires. Only in case of minus multiplication of negative number, they are change of less than and greater than. They get interchanged to each other. Less than equal to get interchanged with the greater than equal to, and greater than equal to interchange with the less than equal to. Remember this thing. This rule we have to remember. So we are going to find out the solution of. So what? We'll take one linear equation in the form of x minus 4x plus b is greater than or less than equal to 0. Take this example. So we can add any number, we can subtract any number to the both side. So x minus 4 plus 4 less than equal to plus 4. We are added plus 4 to the both side. So 4 get cancelled. 2x is less than equal to 4. We can divide both the side by any number, as we are doing with the equal to symbol equation. So divide both the side by 2. 2 get cancelled. X will remain. X is less than equal to 2. So x value is less than equal to 2. Okay. So how we have drawn in the real number line? 1, 2, 0, minus 1. So we are including the 2. So making round there and make dark round, as we are included the 2, and then all the number less than 2. So we make dark part here. This side we make dark. I made the too much. We make whatever is necessary. Okay, whichever is necessary. So 2 is less than. This is the solution. We are showing it on graphic. So I see all the numbers, including 2. If I made here empty circle, that means we are not including 2 within it. Okay? So including 2 and excluding. This is excluding, but 2 is included. So we make dark circle and excluded empty circle. Remember. So this is the final solution of linear equation. We will take some examples. Minus 3x plus 12. Minus 3x plus 12 less than 0. So add, subtract minus 12 both the side. Plus 12 minus 12 less than 0 minus 12. So minus 12 plus 12 we cancel. Minus 3x less than minus 12. Divide by both the side by minus 3. Minus 3x divided by minus 3 less than minus 12 divided by minus. What will remain there? X is less than 4. X is less than 4. Okay. Okay, one correction is there. Wait. Sorry. One correction is there. While multiplying and dividing, we have to multiply or divide with positive number only. Which number? Positive real number. So we are multiplied here with the negative number. So this is not allowed. Only 2 rules are important. While multiplying with the minus 1, okay? While multiplying with the minus 1, Okay, while multiplying with the minus 1, we can change here. So we are divided with the minus 3. So this could be also 1. Look what I am telling. We are dividing with the minus 3. So while multiplying or dividing, minus 3 means it is also 1 upon minus 1 upon 3. So while multiplying with the minus sign or dividing with the minus sign, we have to inverse. We have to inverse the sign. So forget that rule. Remember this. While dividing with the or multiplying with the minus, we have to reverse this sign. So less than will become greater than. So minus 3 get cancelled. So x is greater than 4. X is greater than 4 is your solution. Take one more example of this kind only. Minus 5x plus 12 is less than 0. Minus 5x plus 20. So minus 5x plus 20. We can add subtract number 0 minus 20. We are subtracting this number. Now minus 5x 20 get cancelled, less than minus 20. Now we are dividing with minus 5. We are dividing with the minus 5. We have to inverse this sign. So we divide it next way. 5x divided by minus 5 greater than minus 20 divided by minus 5. As this minus changes this inequality sign. Why? Because 4 is greater than 2, but minus 4 is less than minus 2. We are multiplying with minus sign here. We are multiplying with minus sign both sides. So minus 4 is less than minus 2. So that's why we are inversing this sign. Okay. So minus 5 x is greater than. Same solution will be. Okay. X is greater than 4. So while multiplying and dividing with minus number, remember we have to inverse this sign. Less than will become the greater than. Greater than will become the less than. Okay. This one rule you have to keep in mind only. So don't forget another any rule. Don't remember that. Okay. So remember while multiplying the minus sign or dividing with the minus number also. Okay. So next solution to determine 7x plus 9 is greater than 30. So subtract 9 both the side and get cancelled. 21 will remain there. X is equal to greater than 21 divided by 7 divided by 7. That means x is greater than. How you declare this solution on number line? 0, 1, 2 and 3. Greater than 3. 3 is not included, so I made empty circle here. And all number greater than 3. So made dark line here to identify the solution. Okay? So like this. So one more kind of example is there. Take an example. 5x plus 1 greater than 2x minus 7. So at this time, subtract 1. 5x plus 1 minus 1 greater than 2x minus 1 minus 1. So 5x 0. You get cancel. 2x minus 8. Now what about the 2x? So here is the larger one. So add subtract minus 2x both the side. 5x send variable to one side, take variable to one side, take number to the one side. Okay. 5x minus 2x, 2x minus 8 minus 2x. Okay. So 2x get cancel. 5x minus 2x, 3x greater than equal to greater than minus. Okay. X is greater than. We are not dividing with the minus number, so no change in the inequality symbol. Minus 8 divided by 3 is your solution. X is greater than minus 8 divided by 3. Minus 8 divided by 3 is approximately minus 1, 0, minus 2. Okay. It is about nearby to the greater than minus 3. Okay. Likewise, it is included. Suppose it is coming here and it is not included, so we are making the empty circle here. And x is greater till the infinity. Okay, till the infinity. Solution will be open set minus 8 by 3 infinity capture. So open set. What is open set and close set? Open set means not included. So if we are saying minus 8 by 3 is close set, infinity we are not going to capture any time. This number we are not going to capture every time. So we are taking it as not included. So if we are included this number, then we are writing the square bracket. And we are excluded this number, we are writing open bracket. O for open. You can see open. Okay. So O not included. This number is included. But this solution minus by 3 is not included. So open bracket. We can say here square bracket or include if that number the written in that bracket is included. Understood? So likewise solution will be there. So there is one more kind of things there. Before that we will take one more example. So one more example is there. One more example. You can solve it in the same thing. You have to apply one logic here. So 1 upon x minus 2 is less than 0. This is less than 0. That means this thing should be negative. But 1 is positive. What is the rest thing? This thing should be negative. So x minus 2 should be less than 0. So in case of if numerator is positive, denominator should be negative, then only this thing will become negative. Why? This less than 0, that means it's negative. So x minus 2 is less than 0, that means add 2 in both the sides, you get x is less than 2. Solution on graph 1, 2 is not included. So empty circle. This is the solution. How we are writing this? To the till the minus infinity. Okay? So infinity we are not going to include. So what is the solution? 2 not included till the minus infinity. Infinity we are not able to capture anyway. So it is also open bracket. Okay? We are not going to capture minus. So x belongs to that means x value belongs to between these two. Why between 2? Because it is not included, it is only less. If they are less than equal, then you can make here a dark circle and you can put here square bracket. We will take example of square bracket also. For example, x minus 3 is less than equal to 5. So in this case, x add 3 on both the side, we get cancel. So 5 will become 8. So what is the graph of this? 8, 7, 6. 8 included. So dark circle will be there. Dark circle, okay? And this side will be dark with the minus infinity. So 8 included. 8 will be x belongs to 8 included. So square bracket. This is excluded open bracket. Over this round bracket you can remember in this way. In the minus infinity. Infinity cannot capture. Because every time you will capture one number, it will be next number will be more than it. So infinity is larger number. So you are not able to capture at any rate. Okay. So likewise, there is one more point before solving the first exercise of 15th chapter. We are going to discuss that point in the next lecture.